Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Apex Pixel, and today we're gonna do another mod video. So this video is gonna be a bit of a short one, and that's because it's kind of a mod, kind of not really a mod. So as you guys may or may not know, and if you're interested, I have an Apex Pixel photography channel and on Instagram as well. I post a lot of photos over there, but I do take photos of this car quite a bit, and one of the things that really bothers me when you're on a photo shoot is having to constantly go into Photoshop and rotate roundels whenever it's in a photo. So what I mean by that is currently this wheel is parked up here and you don't want to remove the car in order to get the roundel pointing the right way. So the fix to that is to buy these. So yes, I decided to purchase a pair of floating roundel center caps. I picked these up on Amazon. I'll leave a link to them down in the description below. They were about $30 cheaper than wherever I was finding on other competitor websites, so I decided to pick them up off of Amazon, and they shipped to my house in like a day. So far I would recommend them, though I haven't had them on the car quite yet. But yeah, really simple mod, really simple change. I figure if there's anyone interested in putting these on, I'll kind of throw them on and let you know how they are. After a tiny bit of convincing, we were finally able to pry them out. So now it is time to replace the new ones. And there you guys have it. Pretty simple install. Took me all of like 20 minutes to do. You just have to pry the old ones off, plop the new ones in, and it's done. I'm actually a big fan of how they came out. Obviously, it's kind of like a hard thing to mess up anyway. I'm convinced they're genuine BMW center caps because they feel like they have somewhat decent quality, and the box says BMW on it. But yeah, that's what they look like. Maybe I'll throw on like a rolling clip or two just of the car moving so you can see that they sort of stay in the center, but otherwise that's pretty much it. And there you guys have it. Pretty simple install for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you're interested in seeing more content like this, go ahead and subscribe and stick around for future videos because there is stuff coming in the future, I promise you. Go ahead and check me out on Apex Pixel here on YouTube or also on Instagram. Links to everything will be down in the description below. If you did enjoy the video, thumbs up because it might help me out, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Hope you have a good day, and I'll see you later. Peace.